Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I'm doing another one of those unboxing videos that you guys seem to like so much. So thank you for watching. Always appreciated. And I'm probably going to try to get. There's probably going to be 2 more of these videos, I'm guessing, of these unboxing my own collection videos. So if you don't like these, bear with me. I'm only going to try to upload these once a week so that we've got other content going as well, so that you guys aren't stuck watching unboxing videos all the time if you don't want to. So with that said, real quick, please check out fortheloveoftractors.com. All sorts of custom parts, display items, t-shirts, new in the box stuff, you name it. Well, we've got some of it. Anyway, and I'll be updating that pretty regularly, as I have quite a few new products in the pipes coming this way. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know. All right, let's get to the tractors, because that's what this is all about. So let's start off with, well, this is going to be a lot of New Holland in this one. So if you New Holland fans are here, you're in luck. So saddle tanks, little custom job there on a just a simple Ertl New Holland tractor. No cab glass in that thing. So we're talking a few years ago when that would have been made by Ertl. So here is a Scale Models 82 series four-wheel drive. This is a 98-82. You can tell it's an 82 series because it has a horizontal grill on it. And tripled up like our real 98-82 that we had. So you're going to see quite a few customs of these because we had quite a few of these New Hollands around the farm over the years, because they were just fantastic tractors. So, all right, here we go. Another one. This is a 96-82. This has some big tires on there. You can see there. And I believe I cast those rims. I made some rims and cast them at one point, and they actually turned out pretty decent. I used them pretty good for a while, and the mold just finally wore out on them, so, whatever. That's the way it goes. Let's see here. Now this one, if you've been on the For the Love of Tractors Facebook page, or I think I might even have a video on YouTube of it, here is our corn planting rig on the real farm. So this is a 93-84. You can tell it's an 84 series because the grill slats are vertical on it. We have tanks on the front and tanks on the back. That's because we put starter fluid on, and we didn't want the tanks on the planter because it's more weight on the planter, and the tractor seems to handle that weight a little better than the planter. So anyway, that has 18-442 duals on it, and it's just a nice looking outfit. So again, great tractors, those New Hollands. We're big fans of them. Like I said, we still have one. We've had that tractor for over 20 years at this point. So, all right. And one more 98-82 tripled up. This has big triples. These rims are kind of, these are the first 3D printed rims I ever did. I mean, literally the first test prints. So that's why they're maybe not as good as they could be, but sometimes, I like to keep around stuff like that so I can just see how far I've grown over the years. And so now if you look at my 3D printed rims, which I don't think I have any sitting here, they look great compared to those which were... Anyway, moving on. So this is kind of interesting. So here, this is a 93-84. And what I say is kind of interesting about it, there was, see the planetary inserts in there? So these are just your standard standee rims on the 20.838 tires, I think is what these are. Anyway, so I wanted a planetary because the real ones have a planetary in there. So what that is, that's a thumbtack that I cut the tack part off of, painted blue, and glued up in there. And you know what? It looks pretty good. So that's the thing with customizing, guys. Sometimes you just use what you got around, and sometimes it works out really well. So, all right, moving on. Got some more. Now we're into the TJ series of New Hollands. Or this might just be the T series. Yeah, I think it was the T series. Anyway, these are great tractors. I customized that so it'd fit on a lowboy. So that's why it's only got singles and it's got the axle sticking out. And then last tractor in this box, this is a TJ. Tripled up. We had a TJ 450 for a while. We had the big floater duals on there. We just never, it wasn't a bad tractor. It was a beast as far as horsepower goes, but I don't know. We just never fell in love with that tractor like we have other tractors, like we did these older New Hollands, and like certainly we have the quad tracks. So that TJ 450 did not stay on our farm very long, maybe just a year or two, I think. So like I said, it wasn't a bad tractor by any stretch, but just, I don't know, it just didn't seem to fit in with what we were doing. So all right, now we're going to do some implements. So this will be fun. Here is a C&D Models V-Ripper. So these were made back in the 90s, and I kind of like, I'm going to say they were a little bit hard to get a hold of for a guy like me at the time. I mean, I was, 15 or whatever. So that's just the way it goes. Oh, darn. Broke a rail off this thing. I have to fix her up. So this is a custom spray buggy that I made. I just took the tank, and I don't know where I robbed those off something, used a Ertl undercarriage, built some steps on the side, and I built a rail here, but unfortunately the rail popped off in our move, so that's okay. Easy fix. So we're just going to set that over there. Aha! Dogtown Ag 4-ton fertilizer spreader. Oh, look at that. Wheels actually roll on this one, so that's old school there. Here is, well, just knocked half of them off, but here is an Unverfurth seed tender with the Pro boxes. So this is essentially identical to what we use on our real farm. So I had to have it. And I think if I remember correctly, stuck those I did. I stuck those decals, say that 3 times real fast, on there, and then these are Pioneer boxes over here. So, oh, no, that's another decal. So, I don't know why, because we don't plant decaled corn, but I guess that's the decals I had at the time. I think I would have put mycogen on there if I were doing that over. Here's just a little old Chevy Ertl Dodge. Got a pallet in the back, and just some stuff in the back. And last but not least, implement-wise, a little John Deere 6-row planter from Speccast. So, okay, I'm gonna slide over this batch of boxes and see what else we got here, guys. So I've got 4 boxes to go. So I'm gonna we'll get one more in on this video, and then try to knock out the other 3 in one video. That way we're not doing too much of this. So this is going to be a lot of green, guys. So if you're a John Deere fan, this is for you. Here is an 8400 I did. Dualed it up, removable duals, mirrors, lights. Apparently, what the heck? Look at that. Apparently I double mirrored that. That's really weird. Why? That's weird. That's really weird. And it's missing a tire. I have no idea where that tire is, but... Alright, here we are. This is a 70 series 4-wheel drive. You can tell it's a 70 series because the grill only comes on this front part here. Custom, triples, etc., etc. I'm going to put him up there. Alright. Tractor 84 or 9400T has weights on the side. Those are homemade, so they're okay. Rails, flashers, mirrors, and a homemade blade. This is before I could get my hands on a more Degelman blade. Turned out pretty decent. All right, here we have either a 7800 or a 7810. It's a light custom on that thing. All right. Bone stock, authentic 4450 front wheel assist, awesome tractor. This is one of the better authentics that were done, I think. It just looks so cool with that front wheel assist on there. So we'll go down here for now. Well, we knocked a flasher off of something. I wonder what that was. Here is just the 2-wheel drive version of the 4450. This is a nice tractor for sure. They use different wheels. I'll show you guys in case you've never seen those side by side before. They use different wheels on those, so that's kind of neat, I think. I wish Ertl would just sell those rear wheels. I would buy lots of them. All right, here we go. This is the newer, what is this, a 4640 Authentic. It's a nice tractor. Nothing wrong with that tractor. Here's a little custom 4020 with ROPS I did years ago. Pretty straightforward. All right, where are we at here? Now we got a 20 series John Deere 4-wheel drive, like lightly custom by me. You know, again, these are from an era where, you know, looking back now, I would definitely not customize them the way I did, but at the time, yeah, they were great. Here's another tractor I did to fit on a lowboy trailer. Just custom weights, handrails, etc., etc. It looks pretty decent, really. That looked good on a lowboy today, even. Ooh, that flasher got bent, though. Something terrible. Probably moving it. Okay. And here we got another 20 series 4-wheel drive. Big tires on this bad boy. One thing I've noticed about these older customs I've done, and I'm looking at them, I got crazy with the mirrors on them. They're way too big, but, you know, you live and you learn. Yep, speaking of mirrors, there's one. Actually, it just came off. No, it didn't come off that tractor. Anyway, there's one. I have to find the tractor it came off of. Okay, here's a C&D Models John Deere disc gripper. I believe this is a 510 model. We had 2 of these on the real farm at one time. Covered a lot of ground with these. They're good disc grippers, but they tend to ridge along this edge, and they're really difficult to set if you have variable soil types, which we do on a lot of our fields. So ultimately we ended up with, a Landau, but we went to DMI for a while, and we went back to John Deere. We tried the John Deere 512, and boy, oh boy, was that a piece of junk. Bad experience with that thing. We literally only had it for about a week, and we had the dealer take it back because we hated it so much. So anyway, here's a Morris Farm Toys disc gripper. You can see it's got the openers, the closers, kind of got the straight shanks on there, double reset springs. Really nice ripper. And now here is something you don't see every day, a Wagner. Pretty nice little custom piece there. I've got more of these to do if I ever get around to doing them. This is an older, what do I want to say? This is an older custom, and the cab is kind of wrong on these, but you know, it's one of those things where this kit was made years and years ago, so it's kind of one of those, well, I can't fault them, really. I mean, I just can't. So anyway, I like the tractor. So I guess that'll do it, guys. We're heading up on 13 minutes here. So if you stuck it out to the end, thanks for watching. If you stuck it out to the end, post down below. I always like to know who made it all the way. So I guess that'll do it, guys. We'll do this again real soon. Got 3 more boxes to go. Well, hang on a second. I got 3 more boxes to go that I have here. I still have probably 2 or 3 more boxes to bring here. So we got some more unboxing to do, so I hope you don't mind these videos. I'm enjoying it. I really love coming back and looking at all this stuff. And sometimes when you put your collection on a shelf, things start to blend together and blend in, and maybe you don't see the individual pieces. But when you pack them up and you unpack them, you know, you get a look at them again. It sparks a lot of memories and a lot of good things. So that's what this is all about, isn't it? Really, we're not really collecting toys. We're collecting memories, I think. So anyway, guys, all right. Thanks for watching. I know like my head gets cut off in most of these videos, but you don't need to see my ugly mug. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having yourselves a great day. Treat each other well, especially in these times. Be good to each other. I mean, it's just important to be positive and treat each other well. It's the most important thing right now, I promise you. And happy tractor hunting, guys.